What is it? Those two? Okay, you can have those two.
My rattlesnake. And my other rattlesnake.
Do you want 2 rattlesnakes? Is that what you want?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
What is this? Pad of paper?
It's a pad of paper.
Here, can I have it too?
Yes.
Hi,
Hey, lady, how are you? Good.
I'm gonna go. I'll see you after a while.
Okay, I'll be here.
These little bugs. Ah! Jump!
I got one, Dad.
Yes.
Can you put that down? I want to see one.
What?
I want to see one.
Oh, that's cute. Well, and who's made it?
I dropped it.
She's from Scottsburg. Okay.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Pretty.
It'll be a hit.
Why not? Why not?
Because it's got marbles in it and it's too expensive and you just lose all the marbles anyway.
I won't.
No, and it's too expensive. Mm-mm.
You want 2 snakes? Which 2 do you want? Huh?
Okay, one.
Okay.
What's that?
That is something. Rocks. Okay, Anna. You want all 4 of those? How much are the snakes?
Are you going to take all 4 of them?
4 might be.
Ma'am?
4
Little
might be.
ma'am? Are you going to take
Oh,
all 4
Anna.
or are you going to take 2?
Four might be a
You're gonna
little
take all
too
4?
much.
You want all those snakes?
That's
And
too.
what did you pick out? You picked out them 2?
Is that too many snakes for you?
Give me 3.
I think that's too
For everything?
many.